take your spotlight.
What is good, love? I am back with a new video. Shout out to Idoli hair. So this is going to be a little get ready with me to my little, sneaky link. Dinky dink, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to get all cute. So we got to get this wig laid. Absolutely love the cute little goodie bag. It definitely came with everything. It comes with a band, a brush, your duck clips, and a beauty blender. So this unit is in 24 inches, and I do believe she is 180% density. This unit is pre-plucked and the knots are bleached, but I'm gonna go in and bleach it again. So I'm just taking some bleach powder and then my bleach developer in 30, and I'm just taking a mixing bowl and a dye brush. Don't laugh at my bowl, y'all. I could not find my measuring bowl, so I had to use my little sister's bowl. Don't judge me. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my brush and just mix this on in. I mix it to make sure that it's not too liquidy, but it's also not too thick neither. You want to make sure it's the perfect balance before you get started bleaching the knots. You don't have to bleach the knots, but I usually like to have like real nice bleach knots for my units. So yeah, I just applied this on the roots and I kept it on for about a good 25 minutes, and she was looking pretty good and natural. Couldn't even see the knots. So she is ready to put on. So we got the stocking cap down, and I'm just going to take a little bit of my press powder before my install. Yeah, because we definitely got to make sure that the scalp matches the complexion all the ways. Let's take that press powder, go through with it, and then I am just going to take me a little cotton ball and some alcohol, and I'm just cleaning off the front area clean before applying my layer of glue. So I'm going to take my wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm going in the hairline because we got to have a smooth hairline. Definitely got to get all the baby hairs out the way. This unit is so pretty. I totally love the highlights in this unit, and this unit is actually really soft and easy to style. So I'm taking my same press powder and I'm just going to put this into the lace on the wig, and I'm just measuring this wig on my head, trying to figure out where we gluing this down at. So I'm just taking some duck clips, getting my hair out the way, and I'm going to glue her down. So I'll be taking the first layer of my Wonder Lace Bond glue, and this is the best glue I've ever had for a lace unit. I highly recommend. So yeah, I'm just putting a few dots there, and then I am going to smooth out my first layer of glue, and then I'm going to wait until it air dries a little bit until it turns into a clear coat, and then I'm going to go in again with the second layer of glue. Because baby, the last thing I want is my unit to come off during the do. So yeah, we need to make sure that this wig is on. Child, that's gonna be so embarrassing. So once the glue is sticky, I'm just pulling the wig down, making sure that it is pressed into the forehead before my hairline. You don't want to glue it right on your edges, because child, I did that one time and I don't ever want to do that again, because I swear to God, I thought I snatched my edges out, but I didn't. But I just want to make sure that doesn't happen again. So yeah, I'm just making sure I'm pulling out the baby hairs. We getting her all ready and stuff. I'm gonna tie her down a little bit, and then I am going to style this unit to my liking. I didn't know exactly how I wanted to style it, so I was just like, well, I'll just rock it down, probably do a little side part. But as I was filming this, I was like, maybe I should have done a middle part. I don't know. I'll probably take more pictures or something of how this will look styled and like in an updo or something. But I just decided to do a side part for the purpose of this video. that the wig is melted down, I'm just getting my baby hairs ready. I'm more so of a little to none type of baby hair type of person. I don't really like all the big baby hairs and nothing like that. So I just wanted to do something a little simple around the hairline. But the unit is very pretty. I'm really loving the curl pattern of this unit. This unit is definitely giving me Beyonce from Destiny's Child. Come on now. Now, you know, do you pay my bills? Do you pay my telephone bills? Even though she had the micro braids or something like that. Is that what they used to call it? I forgot. But yeah. I mean, y'all know what I'm talking about. But that brown blonde. Do you pay my bills? Do you pay my telephone bills? 'Cause I don't think you do. So you in me all through. Okay, anyways, let's get into the makeup. So I'm just mattifying my face with the No Pore Zone primer. Now I'm just going to touch up the brows. I usually use eyeshadow for my brows. I stopped using pencil a long time ago. I usually use like the deepest brown in my eyeshadow palette. I'm using the deepest brown in the James Charles palette. That's the color that I use for my brows, and I rather use eyeshadow than a pencil because I feel like sometimes my skin gets oily, and when I have pencil on my brows, it just gives it like this crayon melted color type of thing on. I don't know, but I don't like it. But anyways, so I'm just priming up my lids with my concealer, and I'm just going in with the eyeshadow. Now I am using my Juvia's palette, and I'm taking the two brownest colors in the palette, and I'm using this to just warm up my eyes. We're doing a little natural glam, you know, some little, you know, a little soft beat, not too dramatic, but just a little soft, you know, keep it cute, keep it natural, you know. So I just took the lightest brown, and what I did was I just warmed up my eye with that color first, and I'm just taking a little stubby brush, and I'm just taking a deeper brown just to intensify the other brown, and I'm just taking like some type of off-white type of eyeshadow to finish it out, and then I'm just doing my liner and lashes. So yeah, just some quick. This makeup look is definitely beginner friendly. Yeah, comment on what other looks that you would like for me to do if you're definitely feeling the makeup tutorials. So now I'm just placing on the Mink. I am wearing the Kiss I Envy Luxury Mink 3D lashes in KMI in 05. And I'm taking my foundation from Estee Lauder in the shade Cinnamon, and I am just blending this all into my skin, and I'm just going to highlight and contour. So enjoy the rest of the tutorial, and also I will make sure I will have all of the products listed in the description below as well.
Bring that ass over, doors, you bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit, I can tell we match. All up on my racks, hella cheese, I don't for rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack, get you wanna act. Take a look with the pop, wipe the pain away. Juicy and it's tighter than a virgin, like Madonna say. I love when you give it, and I love when you don't. Hit me with the grease, sometimes you won't. Tell me don't with no bitches, you know. You got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor.
I keep it juicy, I eat that lunch. So keep that booty. She keep that plump. That nice beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it. Back, yeah. Back till you see it from the back.
So I'm just taking my liner by CoverGirl in the color Espresso. I'm just taking like a deep brown, and I'm just lining my lips up. And I'm actually going to be using a light shade of concealer for like the mid part of my lips, just to give it like a nice ombre effect. And I'm going to top it off with some lip gloss.
She keep that plump, that nice beauty, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back, back till you see it, back, yeah, back till you see it from the back.
Time to set the face, so I'm using my Hard Candy matte setting spray to finish and set the face. And this is the final finished look. Totally feeling this hair. I will have to say I rate this unit at a 9. The color was cute. I love the texture. The curl pattern is gorgeous, and Child, I'm really feeling this look. I think my sneaky dinky dinky dink stinging a dinky doo is gonna love it too. Yes. But this is what I'm wearing, just something, you know, a little bit comfortable. I wanted to wear like some stretch pants, you know. That girl got stretch pants. That girl got stretch pants. But anyways, child, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you babes later. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love and light. Bye.
You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. So